Hey everybody! In this video we're going to be covering the basics of wood stove cleaning. Living in an off-grid cabin means no electric bill. It also means wood heating, which comes with its own rules for care and maintenance. We're going to go over the steps for cleaning to make sure you have a safe and toasty winter in your home. If you're new here, I'm Sam. My husband Jake and I make videos about living off-grid in northern Minnesota. If that's something that interests you, consider subscribing. Each year before the first fire of the season, we start by wiping off any dust and dog hair that is built up on the exterior during the summer. Then we take a roll of plastic wrap and go around each pipe junction and seal it with some masking tape to block off any air holes or vents that might allow soot to enter our home. Now we head up to the roof with our chimney brush and a screwdriver. First, we need to remove the cap. There are many styles of pipe cap. Ours uses a metal band with a single screw that pinches the cap arms onto the pipe. I'm very gently removing the cap so that I don't throw any loose creosote onto my roof that I would have to clean up later. We start by attaching the brush head to the first piece of the handle assembly. Adding all of the pieces right away will cause the brush to become difficult to handle, so just start with one section. With a back and forth motion, brush the inner walls of the stovepipe. If you have a screw-style brush head, try not to twist your handle while brushing. We don't want to lose our brush head inside the pipe. Keep adding pieces of handle and brushing until you reach the end of your pipe. Jake has gone inside the house to listen, and he will warn me when I've reached the damper so that I don't accidentally damage it. Now I'll take off each section of the handle as I remove the brush from the pipe. Now I'm going to have a look at my chimney cap and see how much buildup is there. Ours definitely needs some TLC, so I'm going to hand it to Jake so he can take off the bulk. Now we reassemble the cap and cinch band. I'm taking my time to make sure it's on properly and tight so that it won't be blown away in high winds. Once that's complete, let's head inside and carefully remove our dust shields that we put in place. After your shields are removed, open and close your damper a few times so that all the pieces of creosote fall into the stove, then remove the bulk. That's it! We're ready for a long, cozy winter in our tiny cabin. Thanks for watching!